Top 3 dividend stocks for 2024. Steadfast Group Limited, ASX, SDF. With a market cap of $6.31 billion, Steadfast Group offers essential services to insurance brokers and underwriting agencies across Australasia, with expansion plans in Asia and Europe, boasting an annual dividend yield of 2.75% as of 24th March 2024. South 32 Limited, ASX S32. Dive into the world of mining and metals with South 32 Limited, a global powerhouse producing a range of commodities, offering an enticing annual yield of 1.98% as of 24th of March 2024. Woodside Energy Group Limited, ASX WDS. WDS is Australian leader in hydrocarbon exploration and production, boasting an impressive annual yield of 7.15% as of 24th March 2024.
All data has been sourced from company announcements and Refinitiv, Thomson Reuters. Don't forget to like and subscribe.